Want your home to look luxurious without spending a fortune? The truth is, even expensive furniture and decor can look cheap if you make a few common interior design mistakes. Today, I'm revealing the most common mistakes that make a home look low end and how to fix them so your space feels stylish, polished, and expensive. I share practical home styling tips that help you create high end interiors on any budget. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any home design tips. Let's get started. Mistake number one, overcrowding your space. A cluttered room instantly feels cheap and chaotic, no matter how much money you spend on furniture. Stick to essentials and choose furniture that suits the scale of the room. Leave breathing space to create a clean, luxurious feel. Mistake two, poor lighting. Relying on a single ceiling light makes your home look flat and dull. Layer your lighting with floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, and a statement chandelier. Dimmer switches instantly add sophistication and ambiance. Mistake three, mismatched or cheap looking furniture. Furniture that doesn't coordinate can make your space feel disjointed. Invest in key pieces with timeless design and mix materials carefully. Balance wood, metal, and upholstery for a cohesive, high end look. Mistake 4, bare or poorly styled walls. Empty walls or overly busy decor make a space feel unfinished or cluttered. Add a statement piece of art, a gallery wall, or stylish mirrors. Keep it curated, not crowded, for a polished, luxurious vibe. Mistake 5, skimping on bedding, curtains, or rugs. Low quality textiles instantly make a room feel cheap. Invest in high quality sheets, plush throws, and layered pillows. Choose neutral colors or sophisticated patterns and mix textures to elevate your bedroom or living room. Mistake 6, following every trend blindly. Trendy decor can look outdated fast, making your home feel cheap in a year. Stick to timeless designs for your main pieces and use trendy accents sparingly to keep your home current but sophisticated. Mistake 7, bad color schemes. Clashing or overly bright colors can make a room feel cheap. Use a cohesive neutral palette with pops of rich color. Shades like navy, deep green, charcoal, or soft beige instantly create a luxury feel. Mistake 8, ignoring finishing touches. Small details like trim, baseboards, hardware, or accent decor can make a huge difference in how expensive a space feels. Upgrade your hardware, add crown molding, or choose statement lighting to instantly elevate the room. Mistake 9, bare or cheap looking floors. Worn out or mismatched flooring pulls down the look of your entire home. Use area rugs or invest in quality flooring. Hardwood, engineered wood, or quality laminate instantly add sophistication. And finally, mistake 10, lack of cohesion. A home with random furniture, colors, and decor feels disorganized and cheap. Plan your design around a cohesive theme, color palette, and style. Everything should feel intentional and balanced for a luxury look. So let's recap the 10 mistakes to avoid if you want a luxury looking home: overcrowding, poor lighting, mismatched furniture, bare walls, cheap textiles, following every trend, bad color choices, skipping finishing touches, cheap or bare floors, lack of cohesion. Fix these mistakes and your home will instantly feel more sophisticated, polished, and expensive. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe for more home styling tips, and comment below. Which mistake are you fixing first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.